Hello guys, in today's video I do have the JBL Partybox on the go, and I'm going to show you how you can easily charge your speaker. Here is the cable that comes with our speaker. So the first thing is that we need to place our speaker like that. Now we need to open this thing over here, and now I can find the port for this. Plug in this cable into this port. You need to use some strength, and now we need to just plug our cable into our power adapter, power outlet, as someone calls it. Let me quickly do so. Done. Let me show you the charging indicator. It's here, it's blinking. That's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.